All right, next up we've got Steven here's going to do a box of 17-18 SP Game Used Hockey. Appreciate the order. Good luck, good luck. See if we hit a shield. I've seen a shield out of this stuff. All right, we got some bricks in here. A Matt Lorido, 227. Mike Vecchione was numbered to 224. Oh, this is a cool hit right here. 8 of 10. Draft Day Mark Signatures. Old school Yarmer Yager. Sporting the mullet. It's a real nice hit. Then we have a Carl Hagelin. Banner year. Jumbo swatch. Tyson Jost. 199 jersey. And Ryan Johansson. Single jersey. That is Nashville Predators. All right, buddy. Appreciate it, man. Nice hit on the Yager. If I can get you anything else, just hop.